This is the Four Winds 31E by Thor motorhomes. Save over $50,000 on this premium RV. Get it before it sells out. This 31E is a bunk model with a full wall slide out featuring a rear island queen bedroom with lots of closets and drawers, 2 full-size bunk beds in the middle, a spacious kitchen with an induction stovetop and solid surface countertops. The living room has a 4-person dinette across from the couch for a living room feeling. The mid-bathroom is Continental styled with a door from the living room and from the bedroom. Outside, the coach features a lovely partial paint exterior, outside entertainment center, electric awning with light bar, tankless water heater, and an auto leveling system. The 31E also features frameless windows, backup camera with side cameras, a 40 inches TV in the living room, a 100-watt solar charging system, and heat pads on the holding tanks.